girlfriend be doing them food reviews in my life. And this is giving me, I'll rate this a. We doing this for the 99s and 2000s. This giving me, lay it down, lay it down. You lay it down, lay it down. Mm, mm. Every time I get one, I wish I would have got two. But every time I get two, it'd be a waste of money. I'll never eat it. Because then I'll be like, okay, I'll just eat that one at home. Then I either get home and give it to my daughter. Or when you reheat tacos, they don't be hitting the same. Mm. Y'all want, y'all want this last little bite? At this point, this don't even look like a taco no more. Mm. Mm. I'm still sitting at the mall in the parking lot. And I'm debating, should I go get me another one? Or should I go get me some macaroons? Cause that Belgian chocolate one I had, I think I did a video of it. That mug was good. Usually I like the pistachio, but I ate that Belgian chocolate one first. And so when I ate the pistachio one, it wasn't giving all that. But them things is like $3 a piece. Take it right on. Them things like $3 a piece for them little bitty cookies. It's like I could go to Mrs. Field and get me a big old chocolate chip cookie for that price. All right, time to go. Bye.